Okay, so let's have a look at simplifying these three examples using the techniques we've learned previously. Example 1. Simplify 9a plus 12 all over 3b. So on first glance it doesn't look like we can really cancel anything out and simplify this, but if we factorise the numerator, what would you get? Well, we could factor 3 out because both 9 and 12 are multiples of 3. So we factor 3 out, we're going to be left with 3 times 3a plus 4 all over 3b. And now what you'll see is the numerator and denominator are in terms of 3, so they are multiples of 3. So we can cancel the 3's out, and we're left with 3a plus 4 over b. Okay, let's go to a second example. X plus 3 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now what you'll notice is we have a denominator which is a trinomial quadratic. So we're going to factorise the denominator using the methods for factorising this. So what we can have is two brackets. So we're going to have an x term as the first term in each bracket, and it's going to be plus because we've got two positives. So we're going to have two positive numbers in the brackets. So what two numbers multiply to give 6 but add to give 5? It is, of course, x plus 2 and x plus 3. And what you'll notice is that we have numerator and denominator as multiples of x plus 3. But the question is, when you go to cancel the x plus 3's out, what are you going to be left with? Because the x plus 2 is still in the denominator, so what you're going to be left with in the numerator? Well, think about it. This x plus 3, we could also say that is 1 times x plus 3, right? And so when we go to cancel the x plus 3's out, we're going to be left with 1 over x plus 2. And a third example, we've got 2x plus 6 divided by x squared plus 7x plus 12. Again, we've got a trinomial quadratic at the bottom, and we've got a binomial at the top. So let's go to factorise the denominator. We've got x plus 4 divided by x plus 3. And again, it doesn't look like we can cancel anything out, but if we go to factorise the numerator this time, what would you be left with? Well, if we factor out 2, because 2x and 6 are both multiples of 2, so we can factor out 2, and we're left with 2 times x plus 3. And now we have x plus 3 in both numerator and denominator, and we can go ahead and cancel those out, and it leaves us with 2 over x plus 4.